Hey folks, quick unboxing for a mic that was sent to me for review from Boya. It's the BOYAMIC 2 AI-powered mini wireless microphone. Let's read from the back real quick. Well, true AI noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, 90 decibel and SNR signal noise ratio for studio quality sound. 32-bit float on board recording and 8 GB storage. AGC and limiter for distortion-free audio. Sound wave design, sleek and intuitive. 2x 4RX connection support for up to 8 devices. So we're going to give this a spin. This is just the unboxing to show you what it came with. And then we're going to give this a spin in terms of a full review, maybe testing it out for my podcast and for some unboxing videos. So we'll be able to tell the quality, and you'll let me know if you like it. There will be a link in the description of this video to the final review at thegadgeteer.com. So without further delay, let's see how we get into this box. And bear with me while I figure out exactly where it opens. They make them so nicely these days. I can't even see tape on it, so it's hard for me to tell where the opening is. Maybe it's a flap. Hang on a second. They won't defeat me, I promise you. I'm still looking. Don't laugh at me. There we go. See? It was so nicely, with all the edges, it was hard to see, but my eyes at least. But here we go. And there's what you have. When you open it up, it's a very simple presentation of the mic in the case. I'm sure there's more underneath, so let's figure it out. Taking out the case. Now this is quite sizable. Reminds me of like the Hollyland type cases that are quite big but sturdy. Let's get it out of the plastic. We don't need that, right? Has the Boya on the side. Has a USB-C on the back, so obviously it has a built-in battery for charging. Take out the insert to see what else is in the box. The box is now empty, so we can cast that aside. Let's open up. So we've got windshield or windsock, whatever you choose to call it. USB-C to USB-C cable. Audio, 3.5 millimeter audio cable. We've got a storage case. It's not empty. What do we have? We have an audio. Okay, so this is a lavalier mic, right? So this obviously will plug into the transmitters, and there are two of them. There's two transmitters, and you have clips to clip that lavalier, shirt mic, as I call it, or whatever, onto your clothing for use. There's the case. Now, let's open this box because all that will make more sense. And here we go. It's got LED indicators in the front for level of charge. You see it's full. Very conventional design. So here is your transmitter, one of two. Let's peel off the plastic that it usually comes with. We'll deal with the other one later. Power button on the side. Looks like some sort of gain adjustment button on the side. We'll know once we use it. You have the port on the top for the shirt mic, the lavalier, as we showed before. That will plug right in there, obviously. On the other side, you have a record button. It has 8 GB built-in storage. So if you're not transmitting this to some device, you can record on board. At the bottom, there's a USB-C that allows USB-C and 2 pins. The pins are what charge it in the case. The USB-C is for the adapters, right? You've got, this is interesting. You've got, I'm sorry, this adapter is for the receiver. You see the bottom of the receiver? Let me take off the plastic. So these are not charging right now because the case fully charged for transport, and obviously you don't want to charge them while it's sitting on the shelves of the store, so they sort of cover the connectors. So this is made for your phone, USB-C device. I'm wondering if I can use like a USB-C. Well, it also has a USB-C here, right? But so maybe I can plug this via USB-C into I think I have a USB-C adapter to XLR. I'm not sure. But this basically goes in. I've done these before, so I should be good. It unlocks, and now you can plug this into a phone or anything else you wanted to. Let me see if I can grab my iPhone here. And you can plug it into the phone like that, right? It's got a headphone jack on the side. It's got a what looks like some sort of input jack on the side. You'll see all this in the review. By the way, again, the review will be available via the link in the description below. It'll be on the-gadgeteer.com. This is your adjustment knob for, I guess we're going through the menu. This is the power button. It has power, I believe it should have power. There it's on. Again, this is just an unboxing, but it's got a full battery charge, and you see, I'm not sure if you've seen it lighten up, but this allows me to select. I just changed the gain there. All right. So this is your menu selection button. If I powered on a transmitter, light on the side, it's probably set. There it is. You can see the. Let me see. Or adjustments. Yes, you can. If I go into the gain, let's see how much the gain will increase. That's negative. I'm increasing the gain. You see how. If I see it's going into yellow and red, I can decrease the gain. I'll take it back to 0, because whenever I actually do an actual test, I'll start at 0. It's got the battery indicator, life indicator on there. I'm sure there's more that this does. Okay, so it went down to, not sure. I'm trying to tell what that is. But again, this is the menu selection button on the transmitter. So you've seen the whole device. Both devices. There's another transmitter in the box, in the charging case. So I'm going to take this to a spin. I'm going to test it out. I would love to see if I can connect it to my Mackie podcast board and actually do a podcast and a couple of other recordings with it, so you can hear more of its ability for professional sound. And stay tuned. Check out the link in the description below for the full review when I'm done. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the BOYAMIC 2 AI-powered mini wireless microphone. Catch you guys soon.